Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off notifications on Kofi. So if you're currently using Kofi guys and you're either not receiving notifications or you're receiving too much annoying notifications, right? You can easily mute them or turn them off. So all you have to do once you sign into your Kofi account, whether you're on your home page or you're simple at your web page, or let's call it your web page, you can easily do that. So if you look towards the upper right hand side, you will see the notification bell. And even if you're in home, you will always see these options here: your page, notification bell, and home. And of course, this burger menu that basically opens up those side options here for you, or those menus. So click on the notification bell, and here you have the option to turn on your notification. So you simply click on turn on, and you will be able to allow this within your browser. So it's a show notifications. You go ahead and click on that, and notification will be allowed. And as you can see here, it's allowed. So whenever you're in your browser, it doesn't matter if you're on the Kofi website or not, whenever you receive anything, it will be notified you in your browser. So as long as your browser is open, you will get notified. Now you might be wondering, how do I turn off the notifications, right? So to turn off the notifications, if you click the notification bell, you will see that there are no notifications, right? And you're not able to really turn off those notifications from here. You're able to turn on notifications from here, but not able to turn them off. So how do we do that if you want to turn off notifications? This is very easy. You want to go into your web browser settings. So simple, go ahead and, click the three dots on the upper right hand side of your browser, and you want to go into the settings. Now, this is general concept for basically any browser. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but it's basically the same. You want to find your privacy and security options, and you want to go to your site settings. There is where you will find those permissions, and here you will find notifications. So you want to click on notifications, and you will find under allow to send notification section, because that's what we did, right? Kofi is a website, right? It allows us to receive those notifications, and we click turn on and we allowed it. So you will see it under the allowed to send notifications. So here you can see Kofi, right? And if you want to remove this, just simply click the three dots on the right hand side, and you can either click block or you can just simply click and remove. In this case, we're going to simply click and remove, and it's no longer there. And that's basically how you will turn off those notifications, right? Keep in mind that if you want to enable it again or add it again, you will need to basically follow the same steps. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple.